Dad, can you come here for a moment?
What happened? Is something wrong?
Look how dusty the car is.
Oh wow! I didn't even notice.
Don't forget your important meeting tomorrow.
You're absolutely right. I'll get thee cleaned today.
How much will the cleaning cost?
About $40 should be enough. Wait here. I'll bring the money.
I'll stay here until you come back. It's even dirtier from this side.
Here's $40. Make sure the hole is spotless.
Don't worry, Dad. I'll take care of everything. Maybe someone else can do the work for me. Jack is the perfect person for this job.
Hi, Emma. What's up?
Would you like to earn some money today?
Really? How much?
I'll pay you $25.
That's an amazing offer.
Just make the car look brand new.
I'll be there in just a few minutes.
Thanks for coming so quickly.
I'm here, Emma.
This is the car you need to clean.
Wow, it's much dirtier than I expected.
Everything you need is right here.
Don't worry. I'll make it shine.